So hello guys, welcome back to the channel today. So today I'll be sharing with you guys a country called Luxembourg. We've talked about this country previously in one of our videos, and this particular country, they are really looking for people to come and fill in the jobs vacancy that is in their country. And this particular country we're talking about, you do not need IELT exam like other country like UK, like Canada, like US. You do not need it. And also this particular country we're talking about, where we'll be dropping, if you check on top of this video, you'll be seeing the particular link where we've talked about this video, that we've given a lot and a broad explanation on this particular country that we're sharing today. So today I'll be sharing with you guys an agency that you can submit an application to. So all you need to do is send your CV, go to their website, send your CV, check of jobs, then you can apply to the jobs that you're saying there, and everything is being done for free. For free. I always want as much as possible to make sure that all my information is absolutely free, because I would not want you guys to go and waste your money to agents or to scammers, that will tell you they will give you visa, and at the end of the day nothing will show. So that's the reason why I always make sure I get the free opportunity for you guys. So please take advantage of this particular opportunity. In Luxembourg, you must need a job offer in order for you to come in, and there are different kind of organizations that are recruiting people. Organization like Amazon, organization like Apple, organization like Google, organization like Microsoft, organization like Tesla, so many of them. You can apply, go to their career. What I always tell people is go to their career, go to the company website. You will definitely see where they put career. Hit on the career, you will see different things about what they are offering and what they are giving out. So hit on it, apply, send email. Do not just apply for one and feel reluctant and feel like, I've done it. No. So on this video, I'll also be sharing more other links that you can also use to apply for jobs. And at this point, if you are really interested in this particular video, I will say stay to the end. Do not fast forward. And I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all our return viewers and new subscribers, and also a very big welcome to our new subscribers and old subscribers. And I want to use the opportunity to say that a very high number of our new and return viewers have not yet subscribed. What are you waiting for? Hit on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell, very important, so that when we upload videos like this, you will be the first to see it and grab the opportunity immediately without hesitating. And also, I want to urge you guys to share this video. Please share this video. It's not going to cost you anything. Share it on your Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, anywhere you feel you can share it. Share it. Information is power, because you do not know who you'll be helping by sharing this video. You might be enlightening someone's day with a big smile by sharing this video. You might be helping someone to achieve his or her dream in this year 2024 by sharing this video. Please, for those of you who really want to travel abroad, share this video to them. Thank you. So let's go straight to the point. So this particular opportunity that we're talking about is a very high paid country. So what I mean is, most of the roles there, they are highly paid. And the good thing about Luxembourg is that Luxembourg is a very rich country, well recognized country. And the good thing is they pay you a very good amount, but your tax is very low. Compared to other countries that, for example, they'll be paying you like, they'll tell you that your annual salary is like £120,000. And at the end of the day, what is coming into your hand after tax should be around like 80,000. You know, you can see the difference. Like over 40,000 pounds have gone off to tax. You know, and not we've not even include what they call NI. You know, your national insurance. We've not calculated that. You know, so this country is a country that I will advise you guys to grab, you know, and I will advise you guys, do not just apply for one job, please. I will say, do not apply for one job, apply for as many as you can. And another thing I will tell you guys is to apply for a job. I know it's not something you just sit up one day and said I want to apply for a job today you apply for like 5 or 6, you know. Applying for a job takes time because you need to tailor your CV to the job description. You know, I did drop my email in one of the videos on how to write a CV. So you can check on the video and send me email if you're finding it difficult. And do not forget, when applying for a job, always apply with a cover letter. And if you want to apply for a job, I say do not use your security CV to go and apply for for example for driver role. It's not gonna work. What are you gonna secure? Is it the car you want to secure or what? You know, you need to tailor your CV to the job description, to what you are saying. At least, even though you are not given the job, at least you can get to the stage of interview so that you get to understand how the interview is being done rather than applying for thousands of jobs and at the end of the day you are not being called. You know, so this is something I really want you guys to understand in applying for a job. Let me give a broad explanation on what I mean. You know, for example, they said we need a truck driver. You understand? Yeah, they said on the truck driver, what you'll be doing is you will be delivering goods from one company to another company or from one warehouse to another warehouse. And as well, you will be going to the farm to bring in products, you know, stuff like that. Maybe I'm just using this as the job description. Now, on your own CV, you should get to put, you might not put it from farm to warehouse, but you can put it that, you know, previously where you've worked, you've done something similar where you go to the factory, bring products and deliver it to the warehouse where they will now package it and distribute it, and you are the one distributing, you know. So these are the things that I want you guys to understand applying a job. So at this point I'll be signing out and I'll be dropping on the description box the link to this agency, and as well I'll be dropping a link to other jobs that you can apply to. And do not forget, share this video. And at this point, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you'll always be the first to see our video when we upload them. Thank you and good luck.